Good day everyone, I am Mary Ann Mandao from the Stream Precinct. So today, I will recite the 10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. First, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Fourth, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Fifth, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Sixth, I do not accelerate my speed at schools, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Last one, number 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every drivers and pedestrian. 10 commandments of safety driving as a self-traveler. First, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth, thou shalt not take any chances. Fifth, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Sixth, thou shalt not drive on thy bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. And last one, 10. Thou shalt practice patience. 10 commandments of safety driving for self-clearance. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibited parking. Fourth, if in doubt, do not overtake. Fifth, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zones. Sixth, the rule to prevent or untangled traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy drivers. First come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrians. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders.